Good evening and welcome to the TerryTracker channel. Tonight we are at the opening night of the Newcastle Town Moor Hoppings, which is supposed to be the largest travelling fair in Europe. But this year it's a cut down fair because the field is waterlogged, so half the fair isn't here anymore. I've heard that they've tried to squash people in a different manner to where they normally do, where it used to be like 4 lines going up and down. I've heard that they've moved them around a bit, so let's go and see. I'm not sure what you'll hear because there's lots of copyrighted music, so it may just be background music, but we'll see. I just realised I don't think I told you why the fair's cut in half. It's because the field is so waterlogged because of the utterly rubbish summer we've had so far. So what's very different this year is the entrance that we've just took, and this lane is normally the middle of the fair, but this is actually the start of the fair. There is nothing that way. This is it. And there is a return of food street, albeit a different format from last year. And of course, Acropolis, this is the best food. Get a look at that chicken. Like I say, this is the best on the fair. You have to try this one.
Number 3, you're the cutest jailbird I ever did see. I'm sure to be delighted with your company. Come on and do the jailhouse rock with me. Let's rock. Everybody, let's rock. Everybody in the whole cell block is dancing to the jailhouse rock. Sad sack was sitting on the body. Go, 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 Johnny, go, go.
Well, what can I say? That food was absolutely fantastic, as per usual. And sitting here, the music as well is, yeah, top draw. I'm not even bothered about going around the rides. I just want to eat Acropolis and listen to the music.
And this is not our fate, so let us stop talking falsely now. The hour is getting late.
As you can see, the entertainment's that good. I'm having to stop for a pint.
There is nothing I can do to keep from crying when he calls your name, Jolene. And I can easily understand how you could easily take my mind. Well, you don't know what it means to me, Jolene. Jolene, 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 Jolene. I'm begging of you, please don't take my mind. Jolene, 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 Jolene.
Houston, we have a problem. I think Emma needs to catch up. Bare necessity, the simple bare necessity. Care about your worries in your smile. Apparently I'm Baloo.
Going down the old line with a transist radio. Standing in the sunlight laughing, hiding out the rainbow's roar. Slipping in the slide all along the waterfall. My brown-eyed girl.
Well, I've had to pull myself away from the band. He is called Joshua Abraham, and his, if you want to find him on Facebook, it's Joshua Abraham's Music. Very, very good. So as you can see, this year they have them packed in. It's not normally as tight as this.
That's what she said.
Michael, please.
And this is normally the quiet row at the back. And this is actually a new ghost train. I've not seen this one before. I say a train, it's actually a haunted house. So yeah, I think this is a new attraction for this year. And things like this ride is normally at the top of the fair, but this year, due to the waterlog issues, it's at the bottom of the fair. Just to give you an idea of some prices, that bungee ride is £15 each, and there's 2 people going at a time. So every time that gets fired up in the air, 30 quid. And this ride here used to be one of my favourites when I was a kid. That looks a fantastic fun house. And the oldest ride on the fair, the giant Helter Skelter. which is normally at the top of the fair. Again, it's now in the bottom. Again, this is a staple of the Moor Hoppins. Normally up the top, but it's been put down the bottom, and it's one of the oldest rides on the fair. Apparently the longest fries in the world. Some people didn't like the backwards bits. And this is the infamous Dave the Rave. So there you have it, that is the opening night of the Newcastle Moor Hoppins Fairground. I'm going to try and get back through the week. I can't come on Wednesday, Thursday or Saturday, so I'm going to try and get back maybe Monday or Tuesday, and hopefully, possibly another day. I don't know yet. So on that note, I'll see you on the next one. Now it's time to do your job.